Hello everyone, welcome to my homestyle cooking channel. Today we're gonna make a kind of wraps or sandwich. If the Western country they have very popular clubhouse sandwich, here in Middle East we have as well. And this is shawarma. Wow! Everyone likes shawarma. I will demonstrate to you guys how to make shawarma at home. The components we're gonna make is the flatbread or shawarma wraps. They call us Kubos bread or Arabic bread, and some other country they call us Pita bread. We need 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it together until well combined. And basically, we have to make a hole on the center. 1 3/4 cup of warm water, lukewarm water. And that's it. Mix it until the flour absorbs all the liquid. So, this is one of the stressful jobs. Oh no! So we gotta knead the dough by hand. Oh no! But don't worry, there is a such techniques how to do it stress-free, even without machine. Flour on the table surface. This is the single hand roll over. And then we have to alternate like this way. You can characterize also what you feel, your emotion. Someone give you a hard time. So, what how to do it, how to it's sign of angerness. But if you guys you are still relaxed and cool, this is the first procedure we have to do. I'm relaxed and I'm a cool and relaxed, lovely. But what to do if you are in love? This is the way. 2 hands. It's like we are doing exercise. Makes sense, guys, right? You guys, you can see I'm sweating. There is no such pressure because this is what I like. So, in everything we do, the requirements is this is what we like to do, and we are happy to do it. So everything is possible in the house, even without machine. We follow the ancient time. That's it. That's simple. We're gonna rest it for 45 to 1 hour. Alright, so while we are resting our dough, we gotta marinate the chicken. So all we have to do is, it has been washed and cleaned already. We have to cut the chicken into strips. Alright, so now we will marinate our chicken. Shawarma marinades, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of salt. You guys, depending on the kinds of salt. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, white vinegar, and then lemon juice, and then sliced lemon. This will create a kind of lemony flavor on the chicken. Garlic. Done. Rinse it. And then the very important is the yogurt. So 2 tablespoons of yogurt, Greek yogurt. It will create another kind of flavor and also tenderizer for the chicken. Mix it. But in everything we do, there is always touch of love. It's lovely olive oil on it. Okay, that's it. We will keep in the fridge. For better result, you can do advance and keep on the fridge overnight. For making shawarma, there are 4 components. One is the bread, which is called as Pita bread or Kubos bread. Number 2, salad. So we need lettuce and tomatoes and the pickles. And this is the vegetable pickles, guys. Arabic vegetable pickles is salty and sour. And that's it. This is our salad for shawarma. It's part of the filling. Garlic sauce. Garlic sauce is very important. If you guys have mayonnaise at home, you can do mayonnaise plus minced garlic on it. But for me, I'm doing my kinds of local with mayonnaise, which is made of egg whites and extra virgin olive oil. It is 1 piece of egg white with olive oil, minced garlic, black pepper, salt, squeeze of lemon. To do manually, guys, it is required of skills. So if you have a blender in the house, this is really perfect. You just put the olive oil, the garlic, and the egg white, and then blend it, and it will come like this. As you can see, the color is greenish because I use the virgin olive oil. But you guys, if you use the corn oil or canola oil, that is nice. It's really white.
Wow!
Nice and creamy. Bitterness because I use the olive oil. But this is the healthy mayonnaise. So now guys, the dough has been expanded. So we're gonna portion it. So we'll make dirty again the table.
Oh no!
Basically, we have to roll. And then flatten the dough. Simple as like this. Alright. We're gonna cover with a white cloth so it will not dry up. So it's time to grill our kubos bread. As you can see guys, it's like a balloon. That's the Arabic bread. Should be like that. That's the perfect one, guys. So guys, I'm making a balloon, as you can see.
Oh no!
So a little bit press on it, but don't damage it.
Wow!
It's like a balloon, as you can see. Hop! Yeah! So this is our Kubos bread. So now, it's time to cook our marinade chicken. Olive oil, our chicken, so guys, I use chicken breast. This is the healthy version of shawarma. Normally shawarma, it has to have like fat. So it's a combination of chicken thigh, chicken breast. Alright, it's done. Alright, for the final touch. We got bread, garlic sauce inside, our salad inside, then the chicken. Roll it. That's the reason why we pop up the bread. So to make it crispy, we will grill it. You can eat it without grilling also, but we want something crunchy. Alright, it's done. Alright, normally shawarma has been rough. Not like a candy. So guys, this is the thing. You can see inside the vegetables and our chicken. So this is the favorite subject. It's time to eat. Normally serve with fresh fries. You guys, you can do also at home. Normally in Philippines, they really like beef. But here in Middle East, when you say shawarma, it's normally made of chicken. There's also some streets that you can find of it.